Okay, I'm running this. Just wait for it. Waiting device to come online. It's very... I think we need to delete the cache first. Delete the... just to make sure. Storage. Need to clear this, clear that. Okay. First, we need to open the app when internet connection is okay. Open. Why is not showing anything? It's not showing, but the card view is showing. Is it to do adapter? It's good. It's not wrong. Why is not showing? Probably I made a mistake. I'll do this to find all. Fetch to do's. It's okay, I think. I will check the to-do adapter because it's weird. Frame d.title item. When I rerun this, then check the logcat. It's really weird. It's really weird. Okay, I need to clear that again. Open the app. It's showing, right? It's showing. And then what if I turn off the internet connection? I'm gonna swipe up. Swipe up. Okay, it's loaded from the database. This is data from the database, not from your network request. What if I turn it on? I think we need to delete all of this repository the database first, I think, because we need to, or it may be a conflict because we have the same ID. So room database, delete all. Is there any example deleting all tables? It's weird using cursor. It's like key on. There is no the example of using delete. Delete query, or probably I will just select delete from my model. Yeah, I'm well gonna use that a little bit to do that. Oh, good. The rest to do. Oh, we're gonna use query probably. delete all. Insert it to the repository. I think we need to, before we need to insert that, we need to do that all. For all. I'm gonna delete this. Just to make sure, I will uninstall this app. Because sometimes Android keep the old data. Rerun this. Let's check. Okay, it shows from the internet. Okay, I will back and then turn off the internet. Also swiping up this. We open this up. Okay, I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.